मेरो कुरा सुन्नुहोस्. Listen to me. Listen to me. म भर्खरै आउँदैछु. I am just coming. I am just coming. धेरै राम्रो. Very well. Very well. तपाईले धेरै राम्रो गर्नुभयो. You did very well. You did very well. तपाईलाई जस्तो मन पर्छ. As you like. As you like. उसलाई हेर. Look at her. Look at her. यता हेर. Look here. Look here. त्यहाँ गएर उभिनुहोस्. Go and stand there. Go and stand there. यहाँ बस्नुहोस्. Stay here. Stay here. अरू कुराको चिन्ता नलिनुहोस्. Rest assured. Rest assured. उल्लेख नगर्ने. Not to mention. Not to mention. होइन कहिले. No never. No never. मलाई सोध्नु भयो भने. If you ask me. If you ask me. मेरो विचारमा. In my opinion. In my opinion. म तिमीलाई राम्ररी चिन्छु. I know you very well. I know you very well. मलाई क्रोधित नगर्नुहोस्. Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry. मलाई बुझ. Understand me. Understand me. मलाई अनुग्रह नगर्नुहोस्. Don't favor me. Don't favor me. टिपोमा हिँड्नुहोस्. Walk on tiptoe. Walk on tiptoe. जसरी देख्छु. The way I see it. The way I see it. जहाँसम्म म देख्छु. As far as I can see. As far as I can see. म इमानदारीपूर्वक विश्वास गर्छु. I honestly believe that. I honestly believe that. व्यक्तिगत रूपमा मलाई लाग्छ. Personally I think. Personally I think. म त्यो उल्ल्याउन चाहन्छु. I would like point out that. I would like point out that. मेरो अनुभवमा. In my experience. In my experience. त्यो मैले अवलोकन गरेको छु. I have observed that. I have observed that. यस विषयमा मेरो कुनै धारणा छैन. I have no opinion on that matter. I have no opinion on that matter. के तिमी व्यस्त छौ? Are you busy? Are you busy? के तिमी मलाई फोन गर्न सक्छौ? Can you call me? Can you call me? मसँग कुरा गर्नुहोस्. Talk to me. Talk to me. अंग्रेजी सिक्नको लागि भिडियोलाई लाइक, फलो, शेयर एन्ड सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुहोला.